So finally, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is out and I took the plunge. I have been wanting to buy a drone and I have been putting it off for more than a year. I really wanted to get a really nice drone shot of the vehicles that we review. Yeah, I've been wanting to have my own drone and finally this is my very first drone because I'm not a Nepo baby, I'm not a contractor. I have to save and for me to afford this one. I almost bought the Mini 4 but I thought I wasn't ready. I'm scared of yung mga nababalitaan kong nagpa-fly away, yung mga nagka-crash. So I was thinking that maybe after the Mini 4, the new model would be more easier to fly, probably would have more template so that I don't really need to be a very skilled pilot kasi I'm getting old, getting impatient. And I heard that there was a Neo coming that's easy for the content creators. Then a friend of mine who's into drone stopped me from buying it kasi daw hindi very stable and the picture quality is also not as good. Because I have been using the Osmo Pocket 3 which has a 1-inch sensor, medyo yung taste ko with video quality has leveled up. Nasanay na ako sa 4K. I also received a lot of compliments from my viewers after I started using the Osmo Pocket 3, which is where this video right now is being recorded. I started to hear about the DJI Mini 5 Pro and that it's gonna have the same 1-inch sensor as the Osmo Pocket 3. I also heard that it's going to have LiDAR. It should provide more obstacle avoidance. I'm planning to create a separate playlist for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, just like the Sea Lion 6, our Panchita. I'm very new to this. I'm not gonna be doing any comparison. I'm not an expert. I'm going to document every part of my journey as I learn more how to use this um, this drone, right? So yeah, if I hope you would follow my new playlist and let's learn together. So this is the FMC Plus combo and I bought this for 61,390 pesos at Henry's Cameras Uptown Mall in BGC. Okay. So they gave me a SanDisk SD card for free. So it comes in a bag. This is the main unit. So this is the main unit. So meron ditong cover. You just have to pull this a little bit like that. This is the protective cover to protect the gimbal, the camera. So hindi pa ako sanay kaya medyo ingat lang yung mga galaw ko. There you go. So that is where your 1-inch sensor is. This is new to the Mini series. Ito, yung twist and turn lang. Easy to replace propellers. Front sensors here. Ayan, 1, 2. Rear sensors here. Tapos alam ko, sensor din to sa baba. Ayan. Alright? And what's new to this, the LiDAR sensors are etong dalawa. Okay? And what else? So, of course, this is the battery. And yeah, the camera and the gimbal. Next is the RC2. So, ito yung antenna mo. And joysticks should be here, hidden sa likod. O, di ba? As if akala mo dati nang may drone, no? There you go. The battery pack. So this one is similar to my DJI Action 5 Pro because I also bought the Creator Combo. So for the drone, they call it the Fly More Combo. So ayan, so meron kang 2 extra batteries. The third battery is already here in the main unit. Charge all the 3 batteries at the same time. And you can also use this as a power bank. Here you have extra propellers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And USB-C cable. ND filters, I guess. Ooh, there you go. I know what these are, pero di ko pa yan nasusubukan gamitin. I don't know exactly how to use them. But yeah, like I said, let's all learn together how to use this. And then what else do we have here? DJI sticker and manual. And then there's nothing else in here. This is just a filler. All right, it's empty. I like this nice, neat bag. It reminds me of the bag of the Osmo Pocket 3. It's, it's snug fit. Sakto lang yung size niya. Hindi siya bulky. So you have some side pockets here. some organizers, dividers that you can move. Ayan. Yeah, may Velcro. And yeah, and you have a belt here, and it looks matibay. I'm excited and at the same time scared with my new toy. Follow the new playlist that I will create about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and join us in this new journey, learning this nice, expensive drone. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.